Good morning, YouTube. So these are my two pair of Tifosi cycling glasses, and these were the original ones that I purchased, the Podium model, and originally I had what was called the Light Night Fototec lens in here, and I made a video a few years back where I showed you where I replaced those. So I picked up a new pair of glasses. This is the Crit model. It's a little better for cycling. It's got like the air vents there on the side on the lens, and then this one has the two separate lenses versus the one big one. So when I picked up these, I went with the Mmoke Fototec. Of course, this is indoors, so that's like as light as that shade gets. And then on my Podium glasses, I picked up a fixed shade smoke lens. That's the smoke lens fully dark, and that's the smoke lens fully light. So when I was still using these with the Fototec lenses, they had the light night shade, which was the shade lighter than this. And I found in full sun, they just didn't get dark enough. They were great in the full shade and riding at dusk, and even after sunset they were great, but if you were out in full sun for more than say an hour or two, you got eye strain. I go up riding in the local mountains up in the open space district. Just with the way the trails are built and with the regulations, you're supposed to be out of the preserve within 30 minutes of sunset. And what I've been doing lately is I've kind of been pushing my rides out so that I get out sunset or 5, 10, 15 minutes after sunset, get out of the preserve. You still have enough light and get back to the pavement, but that means I'm riding home maybe an hour, hour and 15 minutes after sunset, and it gets pretty dark. And these at night are just a little too dark, even at the minimum in shade. It finally dawned on me what I really need to do is get some of the Light Night Fototec for these glasses. I want to leave these alone. They're great for full sun, but with these I can just swap in the Light Night Fototec here. That's the difference in the shade. This is fully light, but these at night you almost don't know you're wearing sunglasses, but then during the day they get about this dark in full sun. So, okay, yeah, on this style sunglass or lens replacement, you pivot the lens out from the end here, and I guess with these you go from the middle, so you grab hold of the middle of the nose bridge, and then you're trying to rotate the lens out this direction like that. To put it back in, you go up there, get that corner in, and then you slide it back in like that. There we go. So there you can see the difference in the two. Yeah, I'll be able to clean these lenses up while I have them out, because sometimes it's a little hard to get the edges of them clean. Yeah, you could probably make it a little easier if you take the screws out and remove the nose bridge, because it gets in the way of grabbing it. Keep it right there. Oh, almost got it. There we go. So there's that notch there that fits inside. So you got to get that out of the way and then back in like that. There we go. I like the Fototec. For instance, today I'm going to ride up to the trails in full sunlight, but when I come home it's full dark. So I need a lens that is dark during the day and then lightens up at night. So yeah, I haven't ridden with the light night shade in a couple of years since I changed out to these. So yeah, it'll be a little bit of a change, but I think that'll work. The other nice thing, in the winter your sun angle is quite a bit lower. The sun isn't quite as bright as it is when it's in the summer and it's coming straight down. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes with the shade, but that's another benefit of sunglass like this, is you can change out the lenses. But I like that you can get spare parts and rebuild these without having to throw them away, and they just fit really nice. I like the fit, I like the lenses, I'm used to the shades, so that's why I keep using this brand. So I have two pair. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick comparison here. I left these out in the sunlight for maybe 10-15 minutes. So that's full shade, full darkness, and you can see they're just a little darker than the smoke shade at full lightness. So yeah, I just wanted to give you that shade comparison there.